Hey y'all, so today we got a project on Daisy May. A couple weeks ago we had an ice storm, and when I was getting the ice off the truck, it pulled this off with it. So sad. So now when you spray the windshield washer fluid, it just whoosh, goes that way instead of actually onto the windshield. So we've got the replacement parts, $10 on Amazon, so we'll have a spare. So we're going to show you how to take this one off and put this one in. Stay tuned. So in order to get to the underside of that, you're going to have to take the hood blanket off. It's got these little plastic pieces holding it. Hopefully we can just do right around here to get to where we need to go to take the windshield wiper fluid and connect it to the new nozzle. We'll be good to go. Don't tell Palomino, because he always is on my case about getting these leaves and stuff out of here, and they built back up. Whoops. We got all these plastic removal pry tools. They have been a lifesaver for random projects. So, allows you to get back behind there and work them loose. Alright, so then you take that out and put it somewhere that it's not gonna fall. Hopefully it's okay there. And hopefully, because we're going right to here, so hopefully we can do this without removing the whole thing. But I'm thinking maybe not, because it's wedged down on this side. Might have to go and do these two. Alright, so now if you look back there, you can see where we need to go. So we'll see if we have enough play here to get it done without removing this. Of course, it'd probably be a lot easier if you removed it, but who wants to do all that? Even though I didn't want to, I went ahead and I took this one out too, just to give that much more flexibility to get way back in here where we need to go. Okay, let me grab that.
Basket.
Oh, you can see it just goes down in there. So we got our new one, got the gasket on it and everything. Pop that back down, and then we'll come back under here, and you can see where it came through. Alright, so because we have to come in here and actually get back there and pull that out, I'm just going to give myself a little bit more room to work. Should have just done it from the start. Let's take out this centerpiece. Come on. Just like that. Come on. You can see how broken that was. All because it got frozen and stuck in the ice. Alright, now let's see if we can pop this back on. Alright, and then let's test it out and see if it works. Alright, let's see what it'll do. It works! It works! Yay! Alright, now let's check under the hood to make sure we don't have any leaks. Alright, we got to get it back into here so that we can pop all the plastics back in. Go. See if we can't reach. There we go. Let's see, we did this one. This one here. And then right here. There you have it. Good as new. So looking at them, you can tell that this one's slightly different from the other one, but only if you're really paying attention. But it'll do the job, and then now we have a backup in case we ever need it. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe.